Welcome to The Cure for Culinary Indecision, where we solve the what should I eat dilemma with the random meal generator. We face the eternal question of what to eat every day. Whether you are meal planning or just hungry, decision fatigue is real and the struggle is universal. The science behind culinary indecision shows we make over 200 food-related decisions daily, leading to the paradox of choice and analysis paralysis. The solution is introducing randomness to reduce cognitive load and increase satisfaction. Our ultimate solution to decision fatigue is the Random Meal Generator by MiniWebTool. Stop scrolling through endless menus. Use this tool as a tiebreaker, turning meal planning into a game of culinary roulette. It takes just 5 steps to go from indecision to dinner. Select your meal type, choose your cuisine, set dietary preferences, pick the quantity of ideas, and then simply generate. Explore 15 authentic world cuisines from the Americas to Asia. You can select any cuisine to broaden your horizons and discover dishes you might never have considered. The randomness is tailored to your lifestyle. The generator supports multiple dietary choices like vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, high protein, and low carb, ensuring the suggestions fit your specific needs. The tool covers every part of your day, from sunrise to sweet endings. You can generate ideas for breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, or dessert. Break the monotony of the same old 10 meals. If you are stuck in a safe rotation, use the random meal generator to force a departure from the norm and add adventure to your routine. It's perfect for solving the I don't care you pick argument. Use the quantity filter to generate a short list for families or groups to vote on, eliminating the open-ended debate. Make weekly meal planning easy. Generate a different cuisine for each day, like Meatless Monday or Taco Tuesday. This ensures a varied shopping list and prevents eating the same type of food 2 days in a row. When dining out, decide the cuisine first. Generate a random meal idea, and then find a local restaurant that serves that specific dish. This instantly narrows your search field. Frequently asked questions. Yes, the tool is completely free with no registration. Yes, it uses a cryptographically secure random algorithm. And yes, a premium version is available for an ad-free experience. Why use the random meal generator? To reduce cognitive load, save time, discover new cultures, and add fun to your dinner routine. Spin the plate. Your next favorite meal is just a click away. Bon appetit!